Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, and I am standing in this moment on the street of Raju Bhaskarjo, that is called in Bengali, because you know that it is very magnificent and unprecedented moment and time for every person. You know that previous some days ago in this country the freedom days is happened between each other. Particularly you have listened that this many population of this country, they have gathered against the dictator and oppressor, killer and murderer Sheikh Hasina, because you know that the Sheikh Hasina has ruled up on the population of this country misrule and unjust ruling. That's why the population of this country, they have stood against her to restore and to restore her from his bed. After that, the whole nation of this country, they have gathered on the state of Dhaka and outside the country against Prime Minister of this country. So after that, she fled from this country and fled from this country. So you know that according to this purpose, the majority people of this country, they have gathered in this time in front of the university, Dhaka University, to pray for those persons who have sacrificed their life for this country and for the people of this country. So you are seeing that the massive gathering center, it is happened in this moment in front of Dhaka University. They have so joined and gathered for such an intention that how can pray and how can pray for those persons who have died and who have sacrificed for their own life for this country. If you see the many population they have gathered, and you can guess that how much the population of this country, they love their country and the population of this country. So you are seeing that the massive gathering center, it is happening in front of me. That if you absolutely you will see, you will listen the one sound that is risen from among all protesters, that is called Allahu Akbar. It is very powerful slogan between each other. So my dear brothers and sisters, that absolutely you have to know that the population of this country, they love this country and absolutely they have sacrificed their own life to independence this country from the dictator and oppressor Sheikh Hasina. So she has ruled on the population of this country through 15 years and they has invaded on the population and civilians without any wrong and without any sin. So on the innocent population of this country. So that's why you can't survive our life peacefully and peacefully. That's why we are very suffering the human catastrophe and unrest living in our mind. So that's why the population of this country, they have weakened against Sheikh Hasina, and they have stood against her to restore their independence from her. After long protest, we have got a freedom and we can enjoy this freedom in this moment. That's why you have seen that the huge population, they have gathered and they have enjoyed their own time they have enjoyed their own time that we have got freedom after sacrificing our life. So we can pray and we can sacrifice all things for those persons who have died and who have surrendered their own life for this country. So which person they have gone from us, absolutely we can pray for those persons. May Allah bless all of them. May Allah forgive all of them who has died, who are sleeping in the graveyards in this moment. So according to this purpose, we are joining in the massive gathering center, in the massive protest on the field, on the estate of Raju Bhaskarjo, that is called in Bengali. So absolutely I can assure you that the students of university, the students of madrasa, the students of college, they have joined with this magnificent assembly, with this magnificent protest, and they are saying that in this moment that this country is for us, and this country is for us, and we will live in this country peacefully. But there is no any chance to live any oppressor, any dictator in this country. They will oppress and will murder and kill the civilians without any sin, without any wrong and wrong activities. So absolutely we can sacrifice our own life, and we can pray, and we can pray for our brothers and for our sisters.